it's Kai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Today I'm going to be using the James Charles X Morphe palette to create the looks that she made with her Icy Fantasy palette because I do not have one and I want to see if I can do it. A lot of you at home probably have this palette. You can also use the mini one. It's the same. I have the big one because my friend gave me this. My friend has the Pony Effect palette, but there's no way that I could see her. Like, I have not seen my friends for months because we are in quarantine and I live in New York City and we have the most. So she basically does the primary colors, but it looks like rainbow. So she does like red inside and then yellow in the middle and then blue on the outside, but it's all like pastel. And I don't own any pastel palettes, but the James palette does have like a white in it, so you could just mix the colors. And then she has wing liner, which I don't have eyeliner, so I'm also gonna use the palette to make eyeliner. Actually, I'm gonna start with this pink one. I think I could just do it all the way around. I already have my eyes primed as well. And I have base makeup on already. The only thing I don't have on right now is blush, but I'm gonna put that on later because I want it to match. And I have hooded eyelids, so I don't really bring it up here because I feel like there's not enough space for me to actually do anything with that, and it ends up just like curving in a weird way. This one looks pretty similar to the color. Now for the middle, I'm gonna take this yellow shade and mix it with this one because this yellow is very bright, and the white because it's not doing it enough. Now I'm gonna do blue. There's a lot of blues in here with different undertones, even though this one is the lightest, but that one's not like the same color. Like, I think I'm gonna use this one. It looks like purple on camera. It doesn't look like that in real life. But I'm gonna use this and mix it with white. And because these are pressed pigments, just like pat it in at first before you blend it. So I'm gonna mix this one with the lighter pink. And I'm gonna like bring it up and make it go together with the blue. On her inner corner, she has a white shimmer. The James palette doesn't have any white shimmer, so I'm gonna use this Urban Decay. The shade is Cosmic. I'm just gonna put it on my inner corners using my finger. And she also like brings it up here. She has black winged liner on. I do not have any black eyeliner right now. I did this the other day on TikTok. I'm gonna use the black shade, a liner brush. It's like flat, it's really small. Eyeliner on my eyes is like hard to do. The way that my like eyelid is shaped and like the place that it creases in. So my cousin, Leisha, she made a tutorial on TikTok on how to do eyeliner for our eye shape. And honestly, like, it worked for me. Because our whole family has like hooded eyes. And it's so bad that like Leisha, her great grandmother, she's still alive. You know when you get older, like you age or whatever, and your skin like sags? Her eyes sagged so much, like her eyelid like sagged down, so her eyes were like closed and she couldn't see, so she had to get surgery to get it like lifted. There's a lot of like skin in here. I don't know why. It makes our eyelids look really small when they're like not. Like, we have space here. There's mad. It just like folds in a way that's like inconvenient when you're trying to do makeup. Pony in the picture has like a straighter eyeliner than this. I make mine go up, but that's because I like my eyes to be like lifted. I'm gonna do on the inner corner as well to make like a cat eye. A little bit right here. That's it for the eyeshadow. So you can see like I did a rainbow the same way she did. Pony doesn't have this in her look, but I do it because I like the way it looks on my eye shape. I'm gonna add white eyeliner on the outside waterline because it just makes my eyes look bigger, like more open. I'm gonna curl my lashes and add mascara. but I don't have any false lashes right now. I just ordered some. For blush, I'm going to use the pink side of the Stacey blush. The color is Retro Drive, but I'm going to use this one because it's like kind of light. I put my blush like really high on my cheeks because I think it like lifts your, like it draws attention to like the top of your face like more lifted, but if you put it down it like makes it look like lower. And then I'm gonna put it across my nose too. For lips, she has on a light pink lipstick that is also part of the collection with Morphe, but I don't have that either, so I'm gonna use this Innisfree Vivid Ink Cotton tint, and the color is number 7. Like it's like a muted pink, but I thought that it would work because it ends up looking lighter on me. And I'm gonna overline a little bit. I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb in How Many Carats and use it as highlighter. It's like body shimmer, I think, but I use it as highlighter because it has like, it doesn't really have a color, but it's like really, really glittery. This is the finished look using the James Charles X Morphe palette to create a look in the promotion for the Morphe X Pony Park Icy Fantasy palette. I'm not saying not to buy the palette, but right now it's kind of hard to ship things. But if you want to be able to create that look at home while you have the time, you can use the James Charles palette if you have it already. I don't have any pastel palettes, but you can still create a pastel look using the James Charles Artistry palette. This is my recreation of her look.